In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage permission settings on Otter AI effectively. Understanding these settings will allow you to control who can access and collaborate on your voice meeting notes, ensuring your information remains as private or open as you decide. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to the Otter AI website. Once you're there, the next move is to log into your account if you haven't done so already. This is where you'll find all your previous recordings and have the ability to change your account settings. Once logged in, look towards the top right corner of your screen for your profile icon. It's usually a picture or an avatar. Click on that. Now that you've clicked on your profile, a drop-down menu will appear, offering several options. You'll want to select Account Settings. Think of this as the control center for your account, the place where you can manage everything about your Otter AI experience. So go ahead and click on Account Settings. Upon entering the Account Settings page, you'll see a variety of options. The one we're interested in today is titled Default Permission Level. Click on that link, and it'll take you to the particular area where all permission settings are modified. This section is crucial because this is where you determine who has access to your notes and to what extent they can interact with them. Once you're in the default permission level section, you'll notice you have two key options, Viewer and Collaborator. Let's break these down a bit. If you set the permission to Viewer, this means that people can only see the notes. They won't be able to alter, modify, or contribute to the content. It's a great option if you're looking to share read-only content. On the other hand, setting the permission to Collaborator allows individuals to collaborate directly on the notes. They can make changes, add content, and truly engage with the material you've shared. So depending on your specific needs, you can choose the appropriate setting for each sharing situation. Now, after you've chosen your desired default permission level, be sure to check over everything and make sure it's set the way you'd like. This simple step will help you avoid any mishaps where someone sees or edits something they shouldn't. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to navigate and set permissions on Otter AI. Remember, managing these settings is all about ensuring that your voice notes are shared in the way that suits you best. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to check out our other guides on Otter AI and more. Happy note-taking!